సో ఇవి రెండు అన్నమాట బర్డ్స్. దే వర్ ఇన్ అవర్ went out. They formed this much nest in that. So today the helping man came and removed them, and we put it here. I don't know what to do with them, but we will leave it for now. I don't know what are these birds names. It looks little different. Look at the mouth, yellowish. Sorry babies, you can't live in my vent. We need to find another nest. So, this is the nest.
Where'd you go? There you go.
Oh my gosh, there's another one.
Two of them.
Yeah. Kitty one, small kitty.
There you go.
Yeah, thank you. Yay, kitty birds. They're waiting for their mommy.
They're like, hey, where are we?
ఇప్పుడు అక్కడ ఆయన అదంతా తీసేసి స్క్రీన్ పెట్టేస్తున్నాడు అనమాట, సో దట్ నో బర్డ్స్ క్యాన్ గో ఇన్సైడ్. We release them from the box. It's not safe in putting in the box. It's heat, right? That's why. So we release them. One is went away by walking. It's not flying. I don't know why, but this is sitting here itself. I think it is little more worried. It needs more time, I guess.
Still breathing?
Yeah, it's still breathing.
Yeah. But it's not making noise. Making noise? Wait for it. It got some air now. Oh yeah, it came out of there fast, didn't it? It just came down the block line, saw the light.
So this is how we took our nest from our vent. It's a big project actually. Looks like a small one, but it's not small one. And akada fix chesinamu. We fixed it. We put the mesh inside of that little bit stronger one, and we closed it. Hope they will not come back again. We sealed it, and we are not hearing noise inside of the house. So this is about removing bird nest from kitchen vent.